Have you ever noticed that no matter how much moisturizer you apply, your skin still feels dry, flaky, or even itchy? It can be so frustrating. Like your skin just refuses to cooperate. Well, you're definitely not alone. Dry skin is one of the most common skincare struggles people face. And the good news is it's completely manageable when you understand what's happening and how to care for it the right way. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a simple yet effective skincare routine, designed specifically for dry skin. Not only that, but I'll also share the hidden mistakes most people make that secretly make dryness worse. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring back your skin's natural glow and keep it soft, hydrated, and healthy. So first, let's talk about why dry skin even happens in the first place. The number one culprit is weather. During cold winter months or in dry, heated rooms, the air actually pulls moisture out of your skin. And then there are hot showers. As comforting as they feel, steaming water strips away your skin's natural protective oils. Harsh soaps or foaming cleansers can do the same thing, leaving your skin barrier damaged and vulnerable. And let's not forget hydration from the inside. When your body isn't getting enough fluids, your skin is one of the first places it shows. The key takeaway is dryness is usually a combination of outside factors and the products you use, which means with the right routine you can fix it. Alright, now let's dive into the part you've been waiting for. The step-by-step skincare routine that works wonders for dry skin. The first step is cleansing. If your skin feels tight after washing, that's a sign your cleanser is too harsh. Instead of foaming cleansers which strip away natural oils, choose a cream-based or milky cleanser. These are much gentler and help maintain your skin's barrier. The next step is optional but really helpful. A hydrating toner or mist. Think of this as giving your skin a little extra drink of water before the rest of your products. After that comes one of the most powerful steps for hydration. Your serum. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin. These are humectants, meaning they pull water into your skin and keep it there. Follow this with a rich moisturizer. Ideally one with ceramide, shea butter, or nourishing oils. This locks in hydration and repairs the skin barrier. And finally, don't skip sunscreen. Even in winter, UV rays damage your skin and make dryness worse. A hydrating SPF is like a shield that protects all the effort you just put in. But skincare products alone aren't the full story. Lifestyle habits make a huge difference too. Staying hydrated by drinking water is helpful, though it's not a magical fix. What matters more is balancing it with good topical care. If you live in a dry climate or keep heaters on, using a humidifier can make your home environment much more skin-friendly. When it comes to bathing, avoid those long hot showers. Instead, use lukewarm water, which is much gentler on your skin. And here's a tiny but important tip. Instead of rubbing your skin with a towel, just pat it dry. That one small change can prevent a lot of unnecessary irritation. Now let's cover some common mistakes people make when trying to treat dry skin. And trust me, these can completely sabotage your progress. First up is over-exfoliating. It's tempting to scrub away dry flakes, but overdoing it actually damages your skin barrier and makes dryness worse. Another mistake is layering way too many products at once, thinking more is better. In reality, your skin often does best with a simpler routine. And here's a big one: avoiding oils altogether. Many people think oils are bad, but in fact the right oils, like jojoba or squalane, can be extremely nourishing for dry skin. Before I wrap up, let me give you a few quick product pointers. You don't need to chase fancy brand names. Instead, focus on ingredients. Look for products with ceramides, hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and glycerin. These are tried and true hydrators your skin loves. On the flip side, try to avoid products loaded with alcohol, especially in toners, as well as harsh scrubs that scratch your skin. Choosing the right ingredients makes all the difference in keeping your routine effective and gentle. So let's recap everything. If your skin feels dry, tight, or irritated, remember this. Start with a gentle cleanser. Add hydration with a serum. Lock it all in with a rich moisturizer. And never forget sunscreen. Support that routine with simple lifestyle shifts like avoiding hot showers, using a humidifier, and being gentle with your skin. It's not about doing the most. It's about doing the right things consistently. If this video helped you understand how to fix dry skin, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more skincare tips and health solutions. And before you go, don't miss my shorts on dry skin series I've linked in the description. Until next time, take care of your skin and it will take care of you.